Good afternoon. Hello and welcome to another video of my Sunday series. Today we're doing a Lebanese inspired dish with some freekeh and honey roasted beetroot. So start off by washing your freekeh. Once you've washed them, add them in a pot with that garlic and thyme stock pot that I found. If you couldn't, just use normal vegetable stock, but if you find it, it's really delicious and it's worth try. Add some salt, some boiling water and let it cook for a good 25 minutes. After that, I added some cashews sprayed them with some oil and then roasted them until they were brown. With the beetroot, I added some cherry vinegar, honey, and I sliced those beetroot. Then I added some fenugreek, orange zest, and tiny bit of lemon juice, olive oil, and then mixed it all and let it sit in the fridge for a good hour. Once your freekeh is ready, add it on top with some of that beetroot and the beetroot juices, because trust me, it's so worth it. I added roasted cashews on top and some yogurt and tiny bit more of fenugreek. Trust me, this dish is delicious and it's definitely worth a try. Give it a go and let me know.